Hi kids, I'm Danny the Dinosaur. Today we have wacky races. And we have 3 contestants. Now pay attention, and if you answer all the questions, we will open this little secret box. Oh boy, I wonder what's in there. Are you ready? Then let's bounce.
Clever little dinosaur, Danny knows a lot for sure. Danny reads a lot of books, dreams be smarter even more. Clever Danny, it's so funny to explore. Clever Danny, pretty little dinosaur.
Wacky Races is a challenge where each contestant is trying to win the special prize. The one who gets to finish first receives a golden cup or a medal. So, who do you think our contestants will be? Cars? Of course! Cars are the main part of the challenge. Like this sport car here, for example. Or this Jeep. What else? How about a motorcycle? Sure, why not? Motorcycles are welcome too. So let's begin the challenge between a sport car, a Jeep, and a motorcycle. Let's see who's going to win. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go! And the race began. Every contestant is trying to be the first. The motorcycle is in the lead. Look how quick it is. But wait, here comes the Jeep. The Jeep picks up speed, leaving the sport car and motorcycle behind. But look at the sport car. It's much quicker than the rest. And it wins the challenge. The sport car gets the prize. And now let's put these pieces together to make a winner car. Look, the pieces are all over the place. We must put them together. Let's start with the wheels. Here's one. It must be at the bottom. Where's another one? Here? Nope. Maybe this is it. Yep. Let's put it over here. And what's this? A window. Should we put it here? No, not there. We'll put it over here instead. And the last piece is this door. And it goes right over here. Hooray! Good job! And now let's see how well you remember the race contestant. Let's find the wrong car, the one that didn't take part in the challenge. Maybe it's this Jeep? No, the Jeep came second, remember? Maybe it's this motorcycle. No, it came last. What about this car here? Well, of course, it's our winner. And what's this? A tractor. What's the tractor's doing here? The tractor wasn't there. All right, we finally found the wrong car. You did great today. So let's open up our little secret box. Wow, it's a picture with cars on it. Look, all the cars are going in different directions. Let's find the one that goes up. Kids, can you see the car that goes up? Does this gray car go up? Sure, that's right. What about this green car here? No, it doesn't. The red one? Nope. Does the blue car go up? No, it goes to the left. And what about an orange car? Does it go up? Yes, it does. Great job, kids! You found all the cars that go up. Come back again soon, kids! There's so much more to learn. See you later. Bye bye.